How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make the levels longer in Geometry Dash. So if we navigate through with one of our levels, and basically from here, I only have this one built out. So let's say that I want to make my level somewhere like this. Let's just click on the Save and Play button. And now we can see that our level is simply very short. Now, if you want to make it a little bit longer, it's going to be extremely simple. You can just go ahead and keep placing blocks indefinitely. So basically, if you have blocks all the way right here, you could just go ahead and keep extending it. As you can see, it will extend further and further. So let's go ahead and place more and more and more and more. As I've previously mentioned, you could just keep placing your blocks and then you will have an infinite level if you basically want to. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.